Hello everyone, welcome to our Dominique and Asaf tutorial.
Hi, my name is Dominique.
Yes, and my name is Asaf. And I will try to learn audio programming in JavaScript. Here sits next to me Dominique, and he will explain to me how to make basic tasks.
Yes.
In audio programming.
Yes.
And hopefully I could use my musical skills in order to perform, make instruments and create music using pure programming.
Yes. Okay, so the first basic thing that we need to start is we need to make sure that we have a Chrome browser. You can use other browsers, but the Chrome browser is like the best one because it has very good tools to debug code. You press F12 to get to this panel, and here if you click on the console tab, it will open the panel that you can write JavaScript directly into the browser, like so, and after you'll press enter, each line will run.
But
and
I don't understand why is it showing the number. You didn't tell him to view a number, so you just put a number in a variable.
Yes.
And then it just printed the variable.
Yes, and look also, if I would use the word var and use another variable name and assign it a number, this time it will not return the same number, and this is a part of learning JavaScript.
Okay.
It sometimes performs a little bit weird. This is part of the fun, okay?
Okay, but everything is saved during my typing. All the stuff I type, so it's saved on the.
And one thing that you can do is after you have written and ran like a line of code, and if you'll stand on the line, on the new line, and you'll press the up arrow key, you can see all the history that you have written inside the console in this session, not older sessions, and you can reuse them instead of typing them again and again.
Okay.
Okay, so I want us to learn about the basic object that we are going to use to start our programming is the window object. With this object, if I'll press enter just by writing its name, okay, we can see that this is a very, very big and complex object that has a lot of data inside it.
What is the window object?
The window object is the object that this JavaScript session can reference the actual window hosting this code.
The whole window?
The window, just the specific tab.
Just specific tab.
Yes, so we can do something like this. If I'll go here and I'll write like window dot close, yes, and I will run it like a method with a parenthesis. So you see the tab has closed.
Bam.
Yes, just like that. So I'll press F12 again and we'll start over in this new tab, but in this window object there is a lot of information, even the position of the window and the size of the window, everything is saved there. So we can use it to start and create an audio context object. So the way we do this is first I will let you write the code so I can continue talk.
Okay, I'll write.
We will write, first we will create a variable, so give it a name, like audio context. Yes, this will be good. And this will equal window dot. And now what we will use is a constructor method, that this constructor method is creating the new instance of the audio context. So first just write audio context with a capital A and a capital C. Okay, so, and the parentheses. Yes, and the semicolon. No, this is before you use a constructor method. This is a special method. You need to use a special keyword that is called the new.
Okay.
A new keyword. So yes, here you should put the word new.
All
now,
right.
This is the right way to create the instance of the audio context. So if we will write here audio context like this, I'll copy this for you. Yes, this is now our audio context object, and with this audio context we can perform many audio methods and
like audio stuff.
Actions
that connected with audio.
Yes.
Okay.
So for today we will start by creating a basic sine oscillator. So to create an oscillator from the audio context, what we will need to do is first create a new variable.
Okay.
And give it a meaningful name.
Oscillator, like.
Yes, it will be a good name. Yes, this is perfect. Yes, and this will equal our audio context. Yes, this. You can see that after you start writing, you can just push.
I just didn't look at the screen.
Yes, the right keyboard key, and it will finish it before.
Okay.
So audio context and create with a small c this time.
Oscillator?
Yes, with a capital O. So no, create with a small c.
Create.
Yes.
This?
And a capital O. Yes, it look.
Okay. Now
yes. Okay. So this is also a method. So we need to use the parenthesis and the semicolon. And that's it, we have an oscillator. If you write here oscillator, yes, like this, and enter, again, we can see our oscillator's property. Okay, this is all. You can see that the frequency it has, yes, it has a frequency of 440 hertz.
Okay.
This is we know as A.
A note.
A note. So
it's all ready to perform.
It is tuned and it is ready to go. We need to do two things. We need first to connect our oscillator to what is called the destination.
Okay.
And after we connect it, we need to start our oscillator.
So how do we connect it?
So to connect our oscillator, what we need to do is to run the connect method. So osc. Yes, dot connect. Yes, so this is our method. So, and we need to send this method a parameter. We need to send it the destination.
Okay.
So open and close the parentheses, and inside of them we will use another property that our audio context has, and this property is called the destination. So we just write its name and use a dot and destination.
Yes.
Yes, you can see it over here. So this is enough for us to connect our oscillator to the destination, just put a semicolon and enter. That's it, our oscillator is connected. And now we need to start it. So let's start our oscillator by running on the oscillator the start method.
Start.
Yes. And now this is a method, so to run it, you need to use always the parentheses.
Okay.
So,
no problem. Oh, here we go.
Yes. And now our oscillator is running. Yes, everybody is hearing it anyway. We don't need to hear it over here.
Okay.
So that's it. This is the way that we start an oscillator. To stop it, we just run the stop method on the same oscillator. Let's do it.
Stop.
Yes.
Parenthesis. All right.
Yes, and this is the way to stop it. And just one other thing, that if you will try to start this oscillator again, you will get an error which says that it is failed to execute start because it cannot start more than once, and we will learn how to deal with this.
This is just okay. This
in
is
the
just
future.
we have only one opportunity.
Yes, to start an oscillator.
To start. Okay.
So that's it for now. We will continue in the next
Thank you.
session.
Join us next time.
Bye.